In this video, we are going to download and install CentOS operating system on VMware Workstation. Open your favorite browser and go to Google or any search engine, type for CentOS download. This is the official website for CentOS. CentOS is open source operating system with no cost. Click on download CentOS. See, we have two types of downloads. One is DVD ISO and the one is minimal ISO. Download DVD ISO. If you go with DVD ISO, its size is more compared to minimal ISO. I am going with DVD ISO. Click on it. It will start download. See, these are the mirrors to download CentOS ISO file. I am going to click on the first link. See, download has been started. See, the size of ISO file is 4.3 gigs. I am pausing this video until download completes. My download has been completed successfully. Now open VMware Workstation. If you don't have a licensed VMware Workstation, then you can download VMware Workstation Player. It's a free of cost. Once you have installed VMware Workstation, click on this create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Here we have two types of configuration. One is typical and another one is custom. I am going with typical. Here we have to select the operating system. We have mounted the ISO file in DVD drive, then click on this one. But we have ISO file. Click on this ISO file and go to the path where it's downloaded. See, I have downloaded in this path. See, this is the CentOS ISO file. Select it and open it. Then click on next. Give the name for virtual machine and specify the location where to store virtual machine files. All files will be saved in this CentOS folder. Then click on next. Give the hard disk size here. Here I am giving 40 gigs. Then click on next. This is the summary of our virtual machine. This is the name of the virtual machine and this is the location where the virtual machine files will be stored. This is the version of VMware Workstation. This is the operating system and this is the hard disk size and this is the memory. If you want to increase memory, click on customize hardware. Here give 2048 or move this cursor to 2 GB. Then close it. This is the NAT is the network adapter and other devices information. If you want, then click on this one and change sound card, printer, network adapter, USB controller. Then click on finish. Once we click on finish, virtual machine will be power on. I am going to click on finish. Select the language. Here I am going with English and English United States. Click on continue. See, here begin installation button has been grayed out. To enable this begin installation button, we have to fill date and time, keyboard settings, language support and installation hours, software selection. These options we have to give. So now select the date and time. Default is Americas and New York City. If you want to change the region, click on this one and select Asia or Australia or Europe or Indian Ocean Pacific United States. And if you want to change the city, then select the time zones or click on this world map. Here Berlin, select Berlin. If you want to go with London time zone, then click on London here. I want to go with New York, then click on here. Then click on done. Click on keyboard layout. There is only one option. Then click on done. Now go with language support. English and United States English. Then done. All remaining all are default. Here we have to select the purpose of CentOS installation. I want to go with minimal install. Then click on installation destination. Then done. See, once installation source has been configured, then this button has come to blue color. It can be clickable now. Now click on begin install to start the installation of CentOS. See, installation has been started. In the meantime, you can set the root password. Remember this password for future users. Then click on done. It's installing the CentOS. I am pausing this video until this installation completes. It's performing post-installation setup tasks. See, installation completed. Here it is saying CentOS is now successfully installed and ready for you to use. Go ahead and reboot to start using it. Click on reboot. See, we are unable to see the cursor. If we click on here, this hand symbol has gone. If you want to come out the cursor from VMware, virtual machine, click on Alt Control. See, the cursor has come. See here, it's loading. Here login name is root. Give the password. This is command line user interface. Now we are going to switch to GUI, that is graphical user interface mode, by running the command systemctl isolate graphical dot target and press enter. Now change default to graphical user interface. Systemctl set default graphical dot target and press enter. Changes has been done. If these settings to be affected, we have to reboot the server. Shut down. Now I am going to reboot my CentOS operating system. We have covered in this video how to download and install CentOS operating system on VMware Workstation. For more updates, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.